Hey folks, your buddy Adam here, and I am very excited about my new Baseus dash cam. This is the PrimeTrip VD1 Pro. It's a 4K ultra high definition dash cam. It also runs all the way to back to give you a 1080p camera in the rear. It's running Sony's latest Starvis technology, which means it's great for low light conditions and in those tweeny, like just going to bed, when the sun is going down. It's great in those conditions as well. And you know what? This has a ultra wide angle lens, and this is going to keep you safe and secure. So what do I like so much about this? Well, I talked to a lawyer, a friend of mine. He had a dash cam in the front, he had the rear camera, and I was like, what's the story here? And he was like, well, Adam, I've been involved in a lot of lawsuits, and nobody has ever lost a lawsuit, a traffic accident, a ticket when they had a video. All it takes is a video to keep you from getting sued, to keep you from getting that ticket, to be able to show the judge, to show the insurance company that you were right and they were wrong. So having this as a little piece of evidence can be a lifesaver, whether that's in a hit and run, a rear ender, or a fender bender. This will have you covered. Now, the thing that makes this camera exceptional, different than any other camera on the planet, it's got a little solar panel built in. So you're getting parking monitoring, and that is something that you can do without hardwiring it, without any special training. It's automatically working. So it's parked here, it's monitoring all around the vehicle, which keeps you safe and secure, even if you're parked in a parking garage, even if you're parked at the airport. You're covered from top to bottom with great parking monitoring. Now, the fact that this is a 4K dash camera means that you can see those license plates, that you can see the little red lights or the green lights when you need this as information. In addition, the high quality, quick, easy access. Okay, they've got an app. It ties right into the app. Using Wi-Fi, you can download and access your vehicle information, your video information in real time. You can watch it and monitor it quickly, and you can download those videos quickly and efficiently. I love that. Also, it has a powerful SD card, which means all the recording is covered right there, and you can pop it out, you can throw it in your computer, throw it in your laptop, grab the files you need. It's also got what's called kind of like an incident or an accident kind of recording. If it detects even just the lowest little level of bump, it'll set that aside to where you can go back and you can check that footage and you can save that footage. So whether it's a high-end collision or just a little bump, you're covered and you have that footage. All right, folks, we're going to show you a little bit more about it. We're going to kick it off right about now. And folks, I do want to show you that this is working currently in real time, streaming the video image to my phone. You can see it's also recording, and that is really cool. We can switch cameras to a rear camera if we're so inclined. And yeah, how easy and efficient is this? It's pretty cool. So again, folks, this is a world's first. It's a first solar panel plus lithium battery design to enable true hardwire-free parking surveillance. Yeah, I've never seen anything like that. You can have standby duration of 14 days, event recording 40 combined front and rear events. Again, it is 3840 by 2160p at 25 frames per second for that front camera, 1920 by 1080 frames per second for the rear camera. And yeah, the app is super incredible. I'm very happy with the ease and convenience. Now, something else that's nice, has a recording duration 30 seconds after an accident is detected. And yeah, this saves and locks videos with that G-Shock sensor. So if there's high sensitivity, say a pedestrian collision, medium sensitivity, say a low rear end collision, or a high collision, this will lock and save all of the details with quality video. They also have HDR functionality, which makes images more realistic and clearer details. Of course, with Sony Starvis, we're talking 6-lens Sony's latest technology, clear HDR. And of course, this works even in low light conditions. and we absolutely love how easy and convenient this works. It also has voice control. So with voice control, I can say things like, take a picture, or turn off display. It's listening to me, and it will respond automatically. Now folks, I love the fact that the 32 gig card is included, so you don't have to go get your own separate card. That makes it convenient. And they offer micro SD cards ranging from 32 to 512 gigabytes with corresponding overwrite periods up to 64 hours. Folks, I also like that installation was a breeze. It literally only took me a matter of minutes to go ahead, use that 3M adhesive, connect it to the Wi-Fi in the app, and then I was home free. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So folks, I highly recommend you go pick this up. It's a first of its kind. That lithium and solar combination is unlike anything I've seen before. We're very happy with it. We've literally been testing it for about a week now. We've had no problems. The brand has a history of 0 defect rate, great warranty, great customer support, easy to use, reliability, convenience. We're very happy with them. Folks, I highly recommend you go pick one up. You will not be disappointed. Thank you so much for joining us, and if you want even more, stick around for the up-close portion of our video. Oh yeah! All right, friends, now it's time for our up-close portion of the video. As is tradition, we like to show off the product, the boxing, the accessories, and everything in between up close and personal at the end of our video. This gives you an opportunity to go ahead and pick this up and put it in your cart. Now you can see what a great device this is. Very adjustable. You can get the exact angle you want, and we've put that SD card inside. Now, just as a quick reference, this is your input for video, and right here is your input for that rear-facing camera, and you've got your selection tools on the side. The microphone is right there. Very nice. All right, so it's a 4K plus 1080p for that rear camera, dash camera, lithium battery version. That's very nice. Hardwire free, and yeah, it uses solar technology to where you don't have to run a hard wire to your battery. This gives you that parking aid easily and efficiently. It's a UHD front, 1080p rear, and it uses Sony Starvis night vision to give you beautiful night vision. Ultra wide, 140 plus 120 degree angles. And yeah, they've given you all the accessories and accoutrement that you need. The USB for plugging it in. We've already tested it, so that rear camera, everything you need. And yeah, they've just done a great job here, folks, with durability and reliability that can't be beat. So folks, inside, let's go ahead and take this out as well. We do have the rear facing camera. Okay, and that rear camera you can put on the glass and then turn to the angle that suits you best. I do like that. All right, so 5G Wi-Fi gives you easy access to your video. You have GPS positioning, English only AI control, and built-in 5G Wi-Fi. Very cool, folks. Hardwire-free solar monitor, Sony Starvis for night vision, crystal clear 4K image so you can read things like license plates, and a big wide range, and a flexible angle. So folks, if you're looking for something that is truly beyond reproach, beyond repair, well, guess what, folks? They've got you covered from top to bottom and stem to stern. Let me go ahead and show this up close. Great brand. Of course, you've got 3M adhesive. You have the outlet connection as well if you need that. They've even given you additional 3M adhesive, a removal tool, and a physical booklet for instructions, which you may or may not need. This is very intuitive, so you may not need it. And of course, it ties straight into that Baseus app. And I've been very impressed with the app, the ease and convenience. They've just done a great job from top to bottom and stem to stern, making sure you have everything you need. Folks, I highly recommend you go pick this up, a device that can't be beat at a price that's absolutely too sweet. You know we love you. You know we appreciate you. But what are you waiting for? It's time to get to shopping. Go pick one up today. You won't be disappointed. Adios, amigos.